Day 1 of learning to build German sentences without memorizing rules. Today, we unlock the golden law of German syntax, the unmovable anchor. In English, your word order is incredibly lazy. You can say, I played football yesterday, or yesterday I played football. The verb just drifts around wherever it wants. Try that in German, and you break the law. The German sentence engine has one absolute, non-negotiable rule for basic statements. The main action verb is handcuffed to position 2. It cannot move. It will not move. Look what happens. If you put yesterday in slot 1, the verb refuses to move. It boots the subject to the back. Mutate your English mindset. Yesterday played I football. Real German. Gestern spielte ich Fußball. The verb never leaves slot 2. Master the engine, master the language. Hit follow for day 2, where we look at how the time machine hijack flips your pronouns entirely backwards.